Okay, let's draw a daffodil. So we've got a full, if you've got daffodils in front of you, that would be great. But if you haven't, the way I draw them is I think of them in shapes. So I would draw a circle or an oval first. I would find where the centre of that oval or circle was, and then depending on which way my trumpet is facing, I would draw my trumpet out and then draw a further circle for the trumpet end, like that. And then you just basically rub out the bits that you don't need. But before you do that, if you can put some guidelines of where the petals might fall, and do them in curved lines like this, because mainly petals on daffodils will form backwards like that. So that you're using the line as a center point to draw your petals around like this, and so on. Okay, you may have some short petals and some long petals, and then if you think there's a straight line going through the center of this and then it's coming in a curve and out of the back, that is where your stem would be. Okay, so try and think of your daffodil in shape form, and then add your structural lines, and then you would obviously rub those structural lines out using a normal rubber or a putty rubber like I'm doing here, and anything that you can't see, and then you can reintroduce those lines back in. Okay, and then add any details. So if your trumpet head has a wiggly line on it, then you can add that detail in. Okay,